Hello everyone, here we met again after an exhausting week, and welcome to today's presentations. We are group number 9, including 4 members, Minh Toan, Quốc Huy, Nhật Huy, and Công Hoàng of the class GITB. So, for today's topic, we're gonna learn about bits and bytes. On the board now, you may see the summaries of this week's topics. So, what are the fast definitions of bits and bytes? A byte is the most unique computers used to represent a character such as a letter, numbers, or typographic symbol. On the other hand, a bit, aka binary digits, is the smallest unit of data that the computer can process and store. Both of them are needed for program to work properly. To go deeper with these topics, I will introduce you to my friend Huy.
Now I will talk about bit, what is bit and what it is used for. A bit is a binary digit. It's a small unit of data that the computer can process and store. The stack is represented by a single binary value, usually 0 or 1. Bits are stored in memories through the use of capacitor that store electrical charge. The charge determines the state of each bit, which in turn determine the bit value. Although a computer might be able to test and manipulate data at the bit level, most systems process and store data in bytes. A byte is sequences of a bit that are treated as a single unit. To bring this into perspective, 1 megabyte equals 1 million bytes, or 8 million bits. That means a terabyte drive can store 8 trillion bits of data. Each bit in a byte is assigned a specific value, which is referred to as a place value. A byte place value are used to determine the meaning of the byte. A place value is assigned to each bit in a right to left pattern, starting with 1 and increasing the value by doubling it for each bit. Let 1 represent the on state and 0 represent the off state. The digit 0 and 1 are called bits. If there were only 2 colors, then white could be denoted by 1 and black could be denoted by 0. This is a 2-bit color scheme where the word is only black and white.
So after my friend Bob, we will talk about the byte. So what is byte and what is it used for? Byte is a unit used to store data on the computer's memory. A byte consists of 8 bits and it is represented equal to 256 different values. So with 1 byte we will be able to represent numbers from 0 to 255. 1 byte will be equivalent to 8 bits. One of the methods to represent the character in a computer is to design a code set. The meaning of this design is that different characters will be characterized by a different unique set of bits. In this way, the information will be encoded into a string of bits in memory or on storage devices. However, there will be many different codes to solve this problem. The American National Standards Institute has proposed a standard code set for information communication on computers called the ASCII code set and has become the standard industry for computer manufacturers. This is an example for changing from binary to hexadecimal, the decimal and the ASCII symbol. So next, this is an example of a change from bits to bytes. You can get some example.
After listening the presentation, then I will present to you how to convert between bit and byte. Convert from bit to byte. Divide the number of bit by a. Convert from byte to bit. Multiply the number of byte by a. For example, convert 1000 bit to byte. Also, 1000 bit is equivalent to 125 byte. Example 2. Convert 64 byte to bit. 64 byte is equivalent to 512 bit. Application of bit and byte in information technology. First, storage of data. Bit and byte are used to store data in storage device, such as hard drive, USBs, memory cards, CD, DVD, etc. These devices will convert data from numerical to binary from bit and byte for storage. And next, transmission of data over the network. Bit and byte are also used to transmit data over the network. On track, routers, which helps will convert data from numerical to binary from bit and byte for transmission over the network. The lab processing of data in computer, data processing. Bit and byte are used basic units for processing data in computer. Data processing goes on with perform calculation of bit and byte value to perform tests.
And that is the end of our presentations. If you got anything stuck in your mind, you may please feel free to ask questions. We might not know all the answers, but we will try our best to answer your questions. I hope after these presentations, we all learned something about bit and byte. And that is also the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening.